everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. So take a pink balloon and stretch it. Now we are going to blow the balloon and tie a knot. After this we are going to put the glue and the thread around it. So wrap the thread like we are doing here. After this we are going to put more glue on the top of it. Pop out the balloon and make this beautiful shape. Now cover it and look, your lamp is ready. Cut this bottle. Now we are going to cut more circles and paste it on the top of it. Look how we are doing here in this video. We are going to make a stand like this. We are also making a beautiful glass shape, so we are decorating it using these pearls, lace and some white color of thread. Look, your planter is ready. You can take any shape of bottle. Now we are going to cover it from the bottom, and using double-sided tape we are going to roll this white color of thread around the box like we are doing here in this video. You can also paste it using hot glue gun. After covering the entire bottle, we are going to cut the extra part of the thread and secure it from the base. Now we are going to put some glue on the top of it and paste these beautiful flower stickers. Look how we are doing here in this video. Decorate it further using pearls, and look, your beautiful holder is ready. You can put candles as well. Take these crepe paper and cut the flower petal. We're going to curve the petals. You can see the lines. Look how we are doing here. Make more such rose petals. Now we are going to take a green stick and paste all the petals one after another around the stick. Keep adding new petals. Roll it like this. You can also cover it using roller tape, and look, your flower is ready. We are going to use these silver pipe cleaners. We are going to make the flower petal here, so combine them together, cut the extra part and put all the petals one after another, and look, it's ready. We are going to blow the balloon and paste the tissue paper around it using a glue. You can also put beautiful stickers. Pop out the balloon and we are going to decorate it further. Look, your beautiful lamp is ready. Using this compass, we are going to draw a circle, cut it, and then we are going to cut this bottle, paste it at the base of it, decorate it further and give it a shape of glass. You can also use as planter. Here we are going to take these blue color of pipe cleaner and tie them at the base using another shape. We are going to give it a shape of this flower petal. Now we are going to hold them together and tie it at other end using the same pipe cleaner like this. Now bend it using your thumb. Look how we are doing here in this video. Separate each of them using your fingers. Now cut the extra part of the pipe cleaner. After this we are going to again bend it. Now make 4 such shapes and keep it aside. Take green color of pipe cleaner. We're going to make the leaf portion here. You can make different fruits using this technique. So we're going to bend the pipe cleaner and twist it as well. After twisting it, we're going to give it a shape of this. Now we're going to make the fruit here. So paste all the pipe cleaners together using hot glue gun and make a circle like this. Paste the green color of pipe cleaner on the top and make the stick. Similarly, you can also add the leaf, and look, it is ready. Further on, you can also stuff it using cotton and paste some beautiful pearls, and look, your keychain is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.